Good morning students. In today's class I am going to teach a very important grammar topic to you, that is articles. Articles definition, if you observe, articles are nothing but the adjectives which modifies the noun. Already you knew that what is the meaning of adjective. Adjective is a word which adds something to the noun, which modifies the noun. Like this here also, articles are the specific adjectives which modifies the noun. Already you knew that what are the articles. A, and the are the articles. In this A, and the, A and are called as the indefinite articles. In this indefinite articles, what is the usage of the indefinite articles we will observe. Suppose you are talking about a specific thing. For the first time when you are talking and you didn't specify that thing. In this occasion, you have to use the indefinite article. Here, one example I will tell you. I saw a good film yesterday. In this one, you are talking about that good film for the first time. And you didn't specify that film. That film name or something, you didn't specify. Just to tell to your friend that I saw a good film yesterday. As you didn't specify that film, and as you are talking about that film for the first time, when you are talking, you have to use the indefinite article a good film. Suppose you are talking more about that film in your conversation with your friend. The next sentences you can use the good film. Should not use the again a good film. I saw a good film yesterday. The film won many awards. That film has good technical values. Like this, in each and every sentence, whichever you are saying about that film, not for the first time, when you are talking, every time you have to use the good film, because in these remaining sentences, you specify that film, particularly about the film you are speaking. But in the beginning of the conversation, as you are talking about that film for the first time, you didn't specify that film. You have to use the a good film. Now, to the vowel sounds also we have to use the indefinite article, that is the and. Here, not a, and we have to use. The vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. One example I will tell you for this vowel sounds. An aeroplane, an umbrella, an Indian, an aeroplane, an umbrella. These are the examples for the vowel sound. That and will come as the article. Now we will move to the consonant sounds. To consonant sounds, this a and will come. To this consonant sound, a will come as the article. Consonants means apart from the vowel sounds, a, e, I, o, u, the remaining sounds are called as the consonant sounds. To these consonant sounds in English, a will come as the article. A dog, a man, a car, a star. Now here, a university. Why it is not an university? A university, because in umbrella also u it is there. University also u is there. But umbrella we are saying as an umbrella. University we are saying as a university. The reason is here though the vowel letter it is there u, but vowel sound is not pronounced. Umbrella we are saying as umbrella, but university we are not saying, we are saying as university. U sound it is not the vowel sound. Though the vowel letter it is u, it is there in this word. We are not saying this one as the an university, because u it is not the vowel sound. Now next one, if you observe, a European we will say. We won't say an European. Here also e vowel letter it is there, but the pronunciation it is not the vowel sound. Here we are saying European. U is not the vowel sound. That is the reason we have to say a European. More than this here e also, first letter e vowel what we are using, it is a silent. Next, few more examples for this one. An honest, an honor. These words if you observe, in this one H is not the vowel sound. H is the consonant sound. Then why we are saying these words as an honest, an honor? To this one also H is silent. Though we are using the consonant sound H here, we are not pronouncing that word, pronouncing that sound. Actually here the H is silent. We will pronounce this one as the R, not as the R. And honest also we will pronounce as the honest, not as the honest. Next, honor also we will pronounce as the honor, not as the honor. Here the H is silent, and the next one, the vowel sound it is pronouncing, that is the R, honest, and honor. That is the reason, though we are using the consonant letter here, we will say these words as the an honest, and an honor. That is the vowel sound. What is pronouncing after the silent consonant letter. Now here before singulars we will use the indefinite articles. Suppose if you want to say a mango, we can say a mango. But suppose if you want to say about the mangoes, plural, we should not say article. Only just we have to say mangoes. I ate mangoes we can say. Suppose if you ate only one mango, you can say I ate a mango. But plural if you are using, we should not use the articles. That is a and or the we should not use. Here only to singulars only we have to use the indefinite article. Next, before collective nouns also we will use the article. Here we will say an army. Army it is a collective noun. We can say an army. Next, a dozen mangoes. It's a collective noun. A dozen mangoes. Here, like this, before the collective nouns also we have to use the a or an as the articles. Now we will go through the definite articles. The definite article is the the. I already told you the first example when I am saying one sentence about the indefinite article, that is I saw a good film yesterday. Suppose if you are talking more about that good film, I already told you in each and every sentence you have to use the good film, the good film. I saw a good film yesterday. The film won many awards. The film has good technical values. Like this, whatever you are speaking about that good film specifically, you have to use the as you are speaking about the film, as you specify that film, you have to use the definite article the. One more example for this one, it is the man who is standing here runs fast. You are talking about not any other person, the person who is standing there. About that particular person you are saying that the person can run very fast. As you specify that person, we have to use the man. The man who is standing here runs fast. Now, there are so many unique things are there in this world. Means only one. There is no another such kind of a thing in this world. To this kind of the unique things also we have to use the as the particle. The unique things are the sun, the moon, the earth. Like this. To these ones we have to use the. There is no other sun. There is no another moon. In this world, only one earth is there. That is the reason we will use the for this. The sun, the moon, and also the earth. And to reverse also we have to use the. There is no another Ganga river. There is no another Yamuna river. There is no another Godavari river. That is the reason to the reverse names also we have to use the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Krishna, the Godavari. Like this we have to use. And some of the monuments also there in this world, Taj Mahal. There is no another Taj Mahal in this world. That is the reason we have to say the Taj Mahal, the Sarangi, the Charminar. Like this we have to use to great monuments. Next, to train names also, like the Venkatadri Express, the Shatabdi Express, the Rayalaseema Express, otherwise the Rajdhani Express. Like this, whatever the names are there to the particular types. This is only one. There is no other such kind of the train. That is the reason we will use this the even for the specific trains also. Those are the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. Like this we have to use. Now to superlative degree also we have to use the. Whenever you are using the superlative degree, it will be followed by the article the. Sita is the cleverest girl in the classroom. Next, the Ganga is the longest river in the world. Varun is the tallest boy in the classroom. Like this, to superlative degree, compulsory we have to use the, definitely we have to use the. Now, my dear students, in some occasions we won't use the articles. That specific occasions are already told to you. There are plural countable nouns. Suppose if you want to say a mango, just you have to say I ate a mango. But if you want to say about mangoes, plural countable nouns, here we should not use any article. Just you have to say I ate mangoes. I ate mangoes. But we should not use the article. Plural countable nouns, we should not use the articles. Only singular countable nouns we have to use the articles. And non-countable nouns also there in the English. Those are sugar, water, like this non-countable nouns. To these non-countable nouns also we should not use the articles. And some of the games also like chess, cricket. To these ones also we should not use the articles. Just we have to say let's play cricket. Not let's play a cricket or not let's play the cricket. Like this we can say let's play chess. Like this some of the occasions we should not use the article for some of the games. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understand the lesson, that grammar topic, important grammar topic, that is articles. Along with this teaching video, I am posting some text to you. You please refer that text and even this teaching video also. After that one, please complete the multiple choice question assessment that what I have given to you to test your knowledge in this specific topic articles, to enhance your knowledge in this specific topic, that is articles. Thank you, students.